Problem 4, using an exponential expression. This one's with regards to population growth. A population of marine bacteria doubles every hour under controlled laboratory conditions. The number of bacteria is modeled by the expression 1,000 times 2 to the h power, where h is the number of hours after a scientist measures the population size. Evaluate the expression for h equals 0 and h equals -3. What does each value of the expression represent in the situation? Consider what you know. You know that 1,000 times 2 to the h power models the population. What you need? We need the values of the expression for h equals 0 and h equals -3. So your plan, substitute each value of h into the expression and simplify. Well, first let's find the value of the expression when h equals 0. So we'll substitute 0 for h. 1,000 times 2 to the 0 power is simply 1,000 times 1, and that's 1,000. So we can state the value of the expression for h equals 0 is 1,000. There were 1,000 bacteria at the time the scientist measured the population. Remember, that's what a time of 0 represents. The very first measurement, or the very start of the experiment. Next, we'll substitute -3 for h. So we find 1,000 times 2 to the -3rd power, which we can rewrite as 1,000 times 1 over 8, and that's 125. So now we can state the value of the expression for h equals -3 is 125. There were 125 bacteria 3 hours before the scientist measured the population, at least according to this model. Your turn. A population of insects triples every week. The number of insects is modeled by the expression 5,400 times 3 to the w power, where w is the number of weeks after the population was measured. Evaluate the expression for w equals -2, w equals 0, and w equals 1. What does each value of the expression represent in the situation? Where w is the number of weeks after the population was measured.